Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pre-install Minecraft Legends in Xbox Game Pass. And to do this, first thing we'll need to open an Xbox app on our PC. So here I have it. Now I'm using the Game Pass in Ultimate. And now let's find the Minecraft Legends. Here we have it, so click on the game. Now select pre-install, choose the drive where you want to put Minecraft in and click on the install. Now the process should begin, and when the download is finished and the time is up to play the game, you'll be able to launch it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.